It's our energy, 7 meter, it's its power supply. This power supply is 220 Vi to 12 volts. Because that's what's EMI 12 Flex. 220 12 volts should not be in this meter. Our show will be how much of an ampere. When it comes to everything, and everything we have in the distribution panel. And now they see everything. One by one we have to city so that we have the whole show in this meter. We have about 15 city and 15 ACs. Energy meter, so it's just one by one we have to connect it how to do it. There is a side that open it in the left side and tie it in a wire. Then programs from the computer. It shows in this meter how much voltage is left. The one who... You see, there's one connection here. There's one connection. A connection. It seems both neutral and live, then it shows in our meter. The meter shows us how many amperes they see right now. And then you can see it too. Then we saw 5 of them, and we saw 5 of them, which is 15. Whatever AC we can connect with in that meter will show the voltage ampere, the power factor, will show everything. In this meter, it is easy to connect only one main breaker. There are 2 few of them and it's ours, etc. Completed its power energy 7 meters. This meter is installed to measure how much power one AC consumes in a month. When it comes to us, then we will be ready. Power analyzer meter. The meter, so this is the power analyzer meter from which we can check the voltage. I will show in the meter. We have a video. I have explained how to use the power analyzer meter, and if you want to visit our channel, don't forget subscribe, like, share in the next video.